Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how camera pro mode looks on this smartphone Honor 70. Okay, so to open this mode we have to open the camera application, go for the more modes and tap right here. At first I can recommend you to tap on the information icon where you'll find description of every parameter that we can find right here. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use these parameters, how to adjust them, the biggest and the lowest values. So let's try with this one, with the matrix metering. Here we can find ISO. Next we can find shutter speed. We can set it even for the 30 seconds. Right here we can find exposure compensation, so we can go between 4 plus or 5 minus, and that's the only parameter that we can only control manually. Here we can find focus. If you want to set it manually, just use this slider. As you can see, everything that is close to our lens will be out of the focus, but when I'm gonna move my phone like that, right now this button, it's in the focus. And when I'm gonna move it like that, as you can see right now it is in the focus, but when I'm gonna move it like that, too far away, it will be out of the focus, because this mode allows us to catch focus only on the object that are really close to the lens. And right here we can find the white balance with a few presets, and also automatic slider to adjust it to our own preferences. In this place we can switch photo formats. Right here we can also enable the flashlight, and here we can zoom in or zoom out even to the 10 times, and that's also the quality of the zoom. If you are looking for any other options, you can just simply go to the settings. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.